Alright, and we're live. 18F squeezing up. Let's see when would be an appropriate entry. Not liking 18F. Not any significant news that catches my eyes. My scanner's kind of just blowing up over here uncontrollably. Alright, and we're good. So, as you guys know, holidays just around the corner. New Year's Eve is coming up. Not expecting much movement in the markets right now, but we'll keep eye on a couple things. ATNF gonna keep an eye out. See HTGM. Gonna add a little alert here on ATNF in case we get a retest of this level. Looking at HTGM. Flush down. What's next on the gappers list? Tour. Too high of float. I like. Let's look at CI. 13 million supply. Much less. I like that. Look at CEI, Calv, and GMTX. CEI. Okay, still want to wait till it gets below VWAP before I do anything. I mean above VWAP. Don't want to buy in just as shorts popping in and get a squeeze down. Let's look at Calv. Okay, nice little bull flag on the 1 minute. However, we have very light volume, and that's very bad. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking that at all. I'm not liking that at all. ATNF alert hit. First ad. After here, buy all buy ask, buy bid, buy market's already there. Flatten out. Sell bid, sell ask. I'll configure this later. Alright, what do we have now? We might have a little squeeze up. Should we add? Gonna add here. Add a small position there. Add 2.2. Stop should be around 2.15. Looks like I'm gonna most likely stop out here. Hands ready on the sell button. I'm gonna stop out here. $2 loss. It's okay. Nothing bad. Happens. A little stop. We might get a retest of that level. So let's see if we can retest. Okay, looking good. Gonna add right here, expecting the break. Next ad should be around above 2.25. Next ad should be around 2.25. We're gonna get that ad. Oh, that's sus. That's very, very sus. I might actually have to just flatten out here. Flattening it out here. Yeah, I'm gone. I'm done. That was a shocker. A lot of shorts here. A lot of shorts there. Of course, I'm not tripping because the stock is so low. I had 50 shares in. Why would I trip? No. the question is, I don't know if we're gonna get, maybe a level 2 could tell me something. Level 2, what am I looking at here? Looking for anything that could tell me that potentially the stock could keep going upwards. Strong resistance here. Gonna remove this drawing here. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna buy a little here at resistance, see if we could scalp it upwards. I'm gonna sell it flush below the resistance level. And I don't know why that happened. Why did my orders get stuck like that? That's odd. I kind of already had an, that's weird. My orders just weren't on auto send. I don't know why that happened. Let's see if I'm very careful with this. +1. If I'm very careful. Okay. That's odd. For some reason I was on auto send yet it didn't go. Maybe not every single tab is on auto send. That could be a factor. That could be a factor. Just make sure everything's on auto send here. Every single grid. Alright, so yeah, I would have stopped out quick. I wasn't too worried. These red candles here are not offering the opportunity that I want. And because of that, I'm probably not even going to trade this stock. I already know it's going to be a slow weekend because of the holidays. And now I'm getting these lines, which is ideally what I don't want. Then there's pretty much no reason for me to be trading. That's an ugly circle. Let's try a better circle. That's better. Momentum's kind of slowed down here. Good that I was only in for 50 shares because $8 loss. I don't think I'm even gonna trade, honestly. Market short. Let's see what the chat's saying. What can we get on the chat? People were buying in at this level down here, and I see it's a strong support level yet. Now that I see it, kind of. Oh, that red to green move. QFIN, what do we have? No. Okay, I mean decent volume, but the price is already beyond my limit of $15, and it's at 20, so I don't like that. So the other cow, CEI, right? Still not cow, maybe. Okay, cow is looking good. I like it. I like cow. We're gonna draw a little alert here. If Cal wants to wake up, then here will be. Setting up my watch list here. I'm gonna put it with ATNF. Gonna have ATNF, COV. I think CEI was one too. Gonna add CEI. Maybe HTGM. I mean, they're just not really convincing to me. Maybe Tor. I don't know. I haven't checked that one. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe Ape. Still have Ape on the Gapper scanner. Nope, Ape is getting flushed down. Forget about Ape. ICCM, the stock that I traded on Friday, that gave me $93 green day. ICCM, what do we have here? Also flushed down. Again, not finding anything interesting. YINN. Okay, yen, but I mean it's $50 a damn share. I mean that's FREQ. Not liking the chart. IINN. Nope. TTM. Nope. So the only ones that are 18F, YNN has a good setup. Nice momentum setup. Let's see what's the float on it. Doesn't have a float. That's odd. YINN, ideally you would want to, if I was trading this, I would wait and I'd see that's kind of just squeezing up. I'd wait for a little pullback, add in on the retest. So ideally I would add in on the break of this consolidation area, add in for the retest, and kind of repeat, and sell on the way up and repeat. ATNF, glad I got out. CALV, too little bit of volume. I mean, come on. We're better than this. We're better than this. I know. We are. I like how Ape here, if I click on Ape, look at the profile picture. Oh wait, where'd it go? It's a little monkey with the AMC, a little astronaut monkey with the AMC badge. That's hilarious. Pretty sure I'm still live right now, right? Gotta fix the hair. Yeah, I'm still live.
KAL. Frequency.
Frequency popping up on the scanners. Nice little bull flag pattern. Nothing too crazy. Let's see what I got on the day chart. Any key levels around 3. We have this level right here at 2.75, which makes sense because that was a support here. 2.9 here. No, nothing around here. There's somebody there still holding ATNF. Okay, because we could see a move here. Right now, guys, there's not much we could do. Just be patient. Be patient because it's going to be a slow market, meaning our breakout positions are most likely to get stopped out, and things like this could happen. And then, in case I want to stop out, and as you guys saw, the system for whatever reason wasn't on auto send. These are real possibilities, so it's a good thing that I didn't have too heavy a position here. Gonna configure my auto send here. Buy the ask. I'm gonna put buy market. Buy the ask. No, not sell bid, buy bid. And flatten now. Cancel. Then it's sell bid, sell market, and sell ask. Okay. I'm not liking that setup. Maybe if I put cancel down here. That's better. Alright, what alert hit? I should alert. TKC, what's TKC? Okay, not bad. Oh, Tor. Is that where I put the alert on Tor? Yeah, not a fan of that. TKC, my opinion, it still looks like shit. In my professional opinion, all these stocks look like shit. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on 18F. I need my phone because I get my alerts tied in directly to my phone. Alright, I'm back. This is one of those cases where I feel like the buyers are aggressively buying the dip. Yeah, they're gonna keep getting stopped out here by these levels. And normally I would be very bullish on a setup like this, except these wicks over here, these tails, these topping tails or shooting stars, whatever they're called. That's not a good sign. And the fact that it's on a 1 minute is even worse. And we can see it on the 5 minute right here. I don't think I'm even gonna enter this stock unless we see a couple retests of here and I kind of see it building up. If it shoots up and just straight off blows past it, then I'm not gonna get FOMO'd into that. I'm just not. KAL popping on the scanners. Let's check that out for a bit. Not convincing. Not convincing. This is more convincing. But still, meh. even ATNF itself, I still don't know why the stock is going up. I've not found any news. Life sciences. Why 180 life sciences stock surge over 50%? Reach just a direct offer price at the market. Alright, so something's gonna happen, yeah, whatever. But it's not really like big news. I'm kind of just bored at the slow market. I'm kind of bored at the slow market, but these are the times where it's best to not trade. Best not trade, to not make any irrational decisions. And I'd rather go long on positions that I could see have future potential, instead of just chasing these little highs that get reversed instantly, which I'm not a fan of. Okay, this would be a good risk entry right here. A good risk to reward entry if I have my stop here. Enter around here for the retest of here. I want the next candle to close here and start squeezing upwards. Can we get that? If we can get that, I'll add a small position in this level. 2.15 will be my stop. No, ideally I want to get in at 2.2. It's a better risk to reward ratio. Might take off without me. Nope. I'm done. Wow. How does that happen so instantly? I kind of already had a feeling it was gonna happen because the wicks from before. Why do people even keep trading this when they see the previous wicks? No. But I have another stock here popping up on my scanner. Oh, this was interesting. But same thing. I mean, look at this. Just no. Just no. I'll pass. I feel like if the buyers eventually take over and squeeze out the shorts, then we could see a good move upward. But until then, we're gonna keep getting these fake outs. The daily chart isn't convincing either. We've just had a string of shorts. Probably the stock's probably heavily shorted. Maybe if I could go here to ATNF, see what the short float is. Oh, it's not big. Short float is only 2.2%. 88% since the close of previous day. A lot of bidders. Looks like now there's more buyers since they're not getting those easily fake outs. I think what the possibility of what this could have been is we got a huge buyer come in, and then the stock pumped upwards, and then all these shorts were ready to shorts or people selling. It was definitely people who had sell orders. Their sell orders just got filled, pushing the price back down. That's a theory to why that could have happened. I have to do some more studying to see why those quick moves work the way they do. Adding around Calv. Very curious to see how this ends up moving forward. Oh wow, look at that. In the bigger picture, it still looks bullish. As we see here, we have as our lower supports keep getting higher. As you guys can see there. But just look at this disgusting flush down. I feel very good to the point where I'm confident in myself. And I know I shouldn't trade, so I'm not going to trade. I'm just watching the stock right now. And I feel confident, I feel good. $8 red is like practically a break-even day for me. I feel good. A loss below $10 a day is great because my wins are like $150, $100. Best win was $174 profit day off a $200 trade on COSM. I feel good. Yeah, so one last rundown. I'm gonna just do a quick little rundown of all our gappers here. last minute we might see some good moves, something good forming. HTGM. Well, people are probably gonna buy the dip here off this strong level. If it's yellow, it's because I had it as a key level for something at some point. That's what that means. Oh. Maybe if we get a buy here at the 9 EMA. Maybe we could see a move up towards VWAP. As people keep buying the shit. I usually never buy below VWAP, but this looks like it already dropped enough and is now finding some sort of support. Well, if this doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But I'm very curious to see. The stock is slow. It's slowed down. It's going to give us the opportunity to see whether this works here. My money's on the 1 minute flag. If the 1 minute flag falls through, then I'm out. We see the high of the flag right here. Oops. Look at the high of the flag here. Why is my mouse? The high of the flag. Lowest point is 9 moving average, which I see. Add here for the break. I'm very curious to see because this is a move below VWAP, yet we have a lot of support. As we see here, we kind of reach. I'm kind of betting that this is the lowest point we're gonna get, and that the buyers are not gonna start takeover to a potential move back to VWAP. And this is gonna be an interesting day right now because I've never really played this side of the coin. This reversal play, so I'm actually very curious. I'm not gonna add more than 100 shares for now, until I see more buyers take over. I'm gonna have my hand on the flatten out button in case shit goes to worse. But right now it's looking good. I'm probably gonna hold till I don't know, honestly. We could get a move back to VWAP. And back to VWAP, then the open is right here. Maybe that influences us somehow. VWAP is at 4. Average is at 3.38, which is right before the red line, which is ideally what I wanted. And the reason I got in is because I predicted a little bull flag pump, which we have here. Now, I don't know whether this is going to hold, whether what's going to happen. Calv. No, I'm not. I don't like Calv. HTGM. I could check Calv real quick. No. The reason I like this setup a little bit more for the fact that we had this long sideways of consolidation, and it's looking like we're going to stop here. If this red line can hold, then we could see a move back up. Of course, this red line still held, kind of cracked a little bit here, but the good thing is it didn't close above here, so that's good. Of course, ideally I don't want to see this, but the stock still has upside potential. Or am I just flattening out here for break even, really? What are we halted? Yeah, I'm out. Might as well flatten out, but it didn't work. That's odd. Whatever. I tried flattening out my position, but it didn't work. If I really wanted to, I could add to my position here as I did added to my consolidation here, add to consolidation through here. I could do that. But my average will raise. Oh. And it's not looking good. Nope, what's it gonna be? Green, red, green, red. It's gonna be green or it's gonna be red. Okay, so I'm gonna probably add if I get a move close to 3.6. If we get a flush below the previous candlestick around 3.45, I'll most likely flatten. It's looking like we're holding HTGM. Is this a low float stock? Because that could explain a lot of this movement. Yeah, it's a low float stock. Explains a lot of this movement. That's below the VWAP. Can I add on the break of this candle right here? If we get a move to the break of that candle, then I add. Flash of red here. LANV popping on my scanner. Clearly that might be a stock to be looking at. But whatever, we're already stuck on this. Oh wow. Where's LANV halted now? Okay, we're definitely gonna have some action here. Adding on the break. Hand on the flatten out button in case I get flattened out. Looking optimistic. Taking a little bit off the table here. Looking optimistic. $35 profit. Looking good. Looking good. Reaching new highs. Reaching new highs. $40 profit. $40 profit. Up to VWAP. Selling at VWAP like as planned. As planned. $50 profit day. I'm gonna flatten out the rest of my position here for a $49 profit. Oh wow. That was nice. Good little profit day. We had a little loss here, but solid day. $40 profit day. That's solid. That's solid. The goal was to sell a VWAP, and I stuck with that goal. I saw here we had a low support, a little bit of pump up, and I entered at the flag. It's pretty simple. And sold that VWAP as planned. Should have held the whole position for VWAP. That would have been better. But oh well. That was a good plan. Alright, I'm going to open my phone, open up Zendu. So I could have a scanner here so I could see when, at what time LANV is going to resume. Alright, I'm going to have LANV here. LANV now racking up some more volume. It's going to be interesting. Can we get the breakthrough VWAP and then some move upward? Potentially it could happen. But now you have this VWAP to worry about. So my job on HTGM is done. LANV resumes. Oh wow, interesting. LANV resumes at 10:14. I might like this more honestly, just because we have more volume here than LANV. LANV didn't have that much volume anyways. Kind of just halted because of the bump up. And had I held, it would have been money, but well, I stuck to my plan. My plan was to sell at VWAP, and I stuck to it, so that's good. That was good, efficient trading on my side, and I'm not gonna buy into this high just because we're going up. I'm gonna wait for a dip down to VWAP. Maybe we could scale in, but I don't want to do it right away. I want to let it give its time. This was a good trade. Huh. I'm actually very proud of myself. That was a very good trade. HTGM taking off. Now it's above the view. I was going to come on a lot of more people scanners. So, any close profit targets in the vicinity? I don't like that. Probably, this looks weird. 4.3 and 4.5. I'm going to call those two little profit targets. Maybe a 4-hour chart can tell me anything. Nope, useless. Gonna move to the 15-minute. Nice red to green move on the 15-minute. Okay, back to action. Ideally, I want to see a move back down to VWAP and then a retest of this previous high. That would be ideal. Is HTGM on the scanners yet? Okay, everybody's catching on. Good thing I already caught on early. I'm not going to chase into LANV just because it's halted. I'd rather just trade HTGM over here, which I made some gains on already. Okay, I want to see his resistance being strong. I like that. I like to see that. LANV, I bet's most likely going to flush down. Get a little squeeze up. Might add a little position on the break. The break is not yet. Could add a 4. Waiting for the dip. Ready to buy 50 shares at 4. Can you feel that 4? Oh. Looks like I bought the dip and it just kept dipping more. It's okay. I'm still up $37. Wait, did I eat? How much did I eat my profit? Oh wow, I ate my profits a lot. Oh wow. I did not expect that to happen. Oh well. Still up $28 on day. Little short green day. Small green day on a slow market. So that's good. The point is that the play worked out. And I think after today I'll probably call it $28 green day. I always gotta edit these. Alright guys, I think I'm done for the day. Small little green day. Thank you all for watching. Tavera Trading out.